Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dryer rack in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. It should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dryer rack. The dryer rack is used for drying shoes or other objects that you don't want to tumble. The main reasons why it would need to be replaced if it's broken or missing. Open the dryer door and locate the two indentations in the rear bulkhead. That's where the rear spring-loaded supports will go. Place the posts into the indentations, push in and land the front end of the rack on the front bulkhead. Turn it around to check if the rack is not going to fall inside. Load it up and enjoy the quietness of the sneakers not bumping against your head. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.